welcome, Jesper. Thank you so much to take some time within this conference to speak with us.
My pleasure.
So you are working for IKEA,
That is correct.
and not everyone makes the connection between IKEA and food safety. So maybe you can explain us what the extent of the scope of your activity.
Absolutely. Yes, I work with IKEA and I'm responsible for the category area food, which means the supplier development agenda of food. And actually, if you ask around, quite a lot of people will have an opinion about the IKEA meatball and some of our other products in addition to the Billy Bookshelf.
Yeah, because there are the restaurants within IKEA, but also some products that you sell, right?
That is correct.
At the end of the tour.
At the end, yes, exactly.
Some product.
Yes, we have of course the restaurant where most customers actually stop by, but then also after a long and hopefully very nice visit to the store, when you exit, you can catch something refreshing like a hot dog on the way out, or visit the Swedish food market where we have some Swedish delicacies.
Yeah, we have some jellies, marmalades or fruit that we buy at home. From IKEA.
Marmalades, cakes, meatballs, of course, salmon, and so on. Absolutely.
So you will be speaking at the GFSI conference.
Yes.
And how do you work with GFSI, or what is it? What makes GFSI important for you?
Food is important for us for many different reasons. It's an essential part of the visit to the store to make it a good experience. It's also an important way that we can impact the world really and impact people in a good way. But if it's not safe, it's not food. And for that reason, we have been using GFSI for several years and have a lot of benefit from demanding GFSI and from using GFSI so that we secure that we have good standards as part of our total food safety program.
Yeah. And where do you think that food safety is going, or what are the elements that are important for the future in food safety?
Now I've of course been here and talked to a lot of people, heard a lot of different things, and I guess we still need to process it, but traceability for sure. I think is big. There's no doubt the demands on traceability are growing, the IT applications around it are becoming much better, but also, legal aspects, customers' requests and so on. Traceability, definitely. Collaboration, I hope. I think there's a lot of opportunity to collaborate more, and being here, I hear a lot of will to collaborate more. I think we can achieve a bigger impact through collaborating in a number of different areas, such as packaging requirements, recyclability requirements, and many other areas. And I see a high interest in that. And then generally, sustainability, finally. Sustainability agenda overall. I hope we will be able to do much better together.
So it's very interesting because it's one of the, I think for me there are two keywords of the GFSI conference. So far is trust. There is a third one, which is you mentioned about collaboration, and there is the other one, which is sustainability. Every day there's something about sustainability. For IKEA, how do you see the bridge between food safety or sustainability? Is it something that you want to embed in management system for the company, or is embedded, or is it something that the food safety management system, should they embed some sustainability elements in your view?
We include it in the same system, so to say, on how we work with suppliers, how we track our products and everything. But of course, food safety has a go, no-go switch. There's an acceptable level, and then there is everything that is non-acceptable. To a larger extent than sustainability. Sustainability, we have a number of requirements that we have build up, but in sustainability we always have a next level. How can we impact the communities a little bit more positive? How can we impact the planet a little bit more positive? How can we do more in the packaging arena? How can we reduce waste a little bit more? So I think there are always some extra steps in the staircase, whereas the food safety has a first step, which is the absolute critical one. But I would say we incorporate it all into our partner selection, into our product development. In IKEA, we work with what we call democratic design, how we develop products as form, function, sustainability, quality, and cost. And it has so for furniture, and it has so for food. And all of those parameters have to be met. And of course, as part of quality, when we talk food, comes food safety. So they are all essentials that must be covered when we develop a product.
It's great. So I think that people, when they go to IKEA stores, it's nice to know the face of the person who's actually working to make that the food is safe in this store. So thank you very much, Jesper, for being with us today, and I wish you a great conference ahead.
My pleasure, and thank you for a fantastic conference.
Thank you.